Book of Heaven, Volume 12, May 23, 1918. The Flights of the Soul in the Divine Will. This morning my sweet Jesus did not come, and I spent it amid sighs, anxieties, and bitternesses, but all immersed in his will. As the night came, I could not take any more, and I kept calling him over and over again. My eyes could not close. I felt restless. I wanted Jesus at any cost. At that point he came and said to me,
"My dove, who can say to you the flights that you take in my will, the space that you cover, the air that you swallow? No one, not even you would be able to say it. I alone can say it. I who measure the fibers. I who number the flights of your thoughts, of your heartbeats. And as you fly, I see the hearts that you touch. But do not stop. Fly to more hearts and knock again and again, and fly over again, and on your wings bring my I love you to more hearts, to make me loved. And then, in one single flight, come to my heart to take refreshment, to then start again more rapid flights. I amuse myself with my dove, and I call the angels and my little mama to amuse themselves with me. But, I am not telling you everything. The rest I will tell you in heaven. Oh, how many surprising things I will tell you."
Then he placed his hand on my forehead and added,
"I leave you the shadow of my will, the breath of my volition. Sleep."
And I fell asleep.